Hello and welcome to Sheba online classes. Standard 10. Today I'll be taking composition. Okay, like last class, I think I've told you, give you an introduction about what are the types of letters, isn't it? Letters, formal letters, informal letters, and what that is. I have not given you the full format of how to write the letters. So today I'll be taking that fully. Okay, so you know what is letter? What is letters? Letter writing is an art. Okay, letter writing is an art. Like nowadays, I told you last time itself, like we don't writing letters is minimizing nowadays. Okay, because of advance in technology, we give only emails and chats on the phone, and that's it. We do video calling. That is enough. Skype and all that. So, but this should not go away. This art which has been coming down from so many ages down. So this should continue. Okay, we should not cut it short. Okay, so this should go on. So it is an art. Okay, it is this kind of it's a talent to write a letter. So writing letters and also essential skill. It's a very good skill one person should possess. All right. So we should have. You should know. No, whatever it is, though technology has increased, you must differentiate between formal letters and informal letters. Okay, like some places we need to write letters. Like they don't accept emails or you have to write letter and give. Okay, so you have to know, right? So you follow this class today, you will definitely understand what it is. Okay, fine. Now see, now what is I told you two types of letters. One is informal and another one is formal. So what is informal? I'll tell you the format fully, you listen to it. So this is informal letter or personal letter. Another one word we know commonly uses is personal letter. Who do we write the personal letter to? Family and friends. Just to family and friends only. Okay. So okay, writing now. I am giving you a format, one example letter here. Just see that. This is the way you are going to write a personal letter. That is, this is the format. Starting from the beginning. In your exam paper, question paper, they will be giving you the situation fully. That is, what kind of a letter that they will not mention this is formal letter, this is informal. You should understand and write the format properly. They will give you the situation. So and so is going to write a letter to so and so. He has incomplete letter. You have to complete it. So if it's such a letter means what should you do? Completely whatever is given to you, just write it down. Name, everything will be given to you there. You should not write your name. Okay, never mention your name. Whatever name is given in the question, that name only you must write. All right. So this is the format for personal letter. That is to writing to your family or your friends. So listen, format is to your right hand corner. Right hand corner of this is the letter. See, this is the page. Your page. Right hand corner. Write the sender's address. That is you. You are writing letter. No. You write letter, so that means your name, not your name means that whoever is sending the letter, that name should be written, their address and the date, which date you write a letter. Alright, everything should be here in the right hand side corner. And then next start, this is called the salutation. What is it called? Dear, respected, my dearest, my dear, all that is called salutation. Okay, called salutation. This part is called the salutation. Okay, now here I am writing a letter to your dad. So I am writing my dear dad or dear dad, and then put a comma. Okay, after that put a comma. Then this is called the body of the letter. What are you going to write? Say whatever you are going to write, whatever content you have got to write up to your father, what you want to ask him, what you are going to say, all that you must write it here. And then finally we come to regards. What's regards? Convey my regards to my sister, or convey my regards to mom, auntie, whatever, whoever is there in the house. So regards, conveying a regards, and then finally you come to the right hand side corner, this side, yours lovingly or yours affectionately, because these words you see, this is used only in personal letters. Okay, yours lovingly, yours affectionately, affectionately yours, however you can change. Okay, so that you must write, and finally last the name, your name. Your name means who was the sender's name should be written here. Then afterwards, to the left hand side corner, draw a letter, that is envelope. Draw an envelope. This is the receiver's address. To whom you are writing? To your dad. No, his name should be here. To address, your dad's address, whatever the address is given in the question paper, that address only must write. Don't write your answer. Don't write your address. Whatever address is given in the question paper, only you must write. After writing, this is the total format. Okay, got that now? Hope you understood this personal letter. Sender's address, date, then salutations. What's salutation here? Personal letter. dear, dearest, darling, sweetheart, all that you can write, no problem. Then body of the letter, then regards, and then yours affectionately, affectionately yours loving, all that will be for your last part. Then next here is the receiver's address, that means to address, who you are going to send it to. This is the format. Got it now? Okay, now I will explain about formal letters. See that? Look at the board. Formal letters are divided into business letters, official letters. Okay, so formal letters are divided into business letters and official letters. Now I will tell you what comes under business, what comes under official. So what comes under business letters is ordering goods. Okay, that is first point, write it down, in your notebooks. Ordering goods, seeking information, acknowledgement receipts, that is acknowledgement, you have got something, you are acknowledging it, that one, of goods. And letters to the editors, that is writing to the newspaper. Letters to editors, there is one article in the newspapers. Letters to the editor for that purpose are known as business letters. Got that now? Editorial letters, and then ordering letters, ordering goods, that is whatever books or magazines or whatever, and acknowledgement letters, all will come under business letters. Okay, and then what is for official letters? Official letters means writing to your principal, writing to your asking for bona fide. Commonly you do that, no? Asking for bona fide certificates. You're going to do some further studies, so you need that bona fide certificate. That should be official letter. And then you're giving a complaint to the police station. That also is an official letter. And then next is applying for a post in the response, that is employment. That is, you see advertisement in the newspaper, vacancy in the newspaper, and then immediately you reply to that vacancy, that office there. So that is also called that kind of a official letter. You are asking for a job vacancy, you are writing there. Okay, so for that there's separate kind of a thing. You have write a biodata, that is your resume must write. Sorry, not biodata, resume. Write a resume. All that should be sent in the letter. Okay, so all that is called newspaper, then advertisement, various posts. So all these are known as official letters. Okay, so both the letters have got same format only. I just told you what are the differences. Okay, and now we are coming to the format of the letter. Now how we learned about the personal letter, what was the format? Here there is a little slight change. Now what is it now? This is to your left hand side corner. This is the paper, this is the letter what I am going to write. Left hand side corner, up you write the sender's address. What is sender's address? The to address, that is you are writing, that is you. So whatever the address is given to you, that address you must write. Okay, and then just below that is the receiver's address. That means who you are sending the letter to, who you are addressing the letter to, that person. For example, you say you are writing to the principal, Sheba Matriculation Higher Secondary School, so and so. That address should be given. Date should also be mentioned. Okay, I forgot a date. Date should be mentioned. The date is very, very important in all letters. Okay, write the date. And then this is called as salutations. Salutation means what? In formal letters, what did you write? Personal letter, dearest, dear, all that kind of salutation only for personal letters. Here it is official, means you must give. Don't write dear, dearest, should not be written. You must write respected ma'am or respected sir, whoever you are addressing it to. Okay, so after writing dear, respected sir, madam, then you must write the subject. Now because official letters, they will see this letter is for what. They are very busy people. Okay, now that busy people, they will not have patience to read the fully. Now they will see the subject. What is it about? What is this this letter is about? Oh, okay, this is the subject. That means for example, you are writing to the principal. So this is what is this letter about? They will read the subject. So the subject is very important. That is one line you must write. This to apply for bona fide certificate. That should be here. Okay. Now in case you are giving it to the police station, you are going to the police station to give a complaint. So that also is a letter, no? You are right. For that subject, what you will write? What is subject write? Say there are too many thefts in our area. So that concerning that, my bike is stolen. That is, I had parked my bike outside, it is stolen. So stolen bike and many thefts in our area. That is all. Just one line only. You cannot write stories there. Just one line. So referring to that only, that whoever you are referring to, that person will read the letter. And so this is the body of the letter. And then finally you must write thanking you. This is very important. Thanking you. And then last yours faithfully or yours sincerely. That's all. Here don't write lovingly or affectionately. You must write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. So this is the format. Okay. Next we learn about notice writing. Okay. Last time we have learned about report writing. You know what is report writing, no? You are clear about it. Now we are going to write notice writing. Don't mix up everything together, right? Now this is notice writing. What is notice writing? It is just very small, just a crisp and short message given to you. Okay, given, you are going to give it to the that is it is where do you keep this? Where do you send this notice? Okay, I will read out the main important definition about it. A notice is a formal means of communication. What is it? It is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on the display boards in the schools or in public places. Okay. Now we have, as in our school we have a notice board. Everything, whatever is for exam notice, we are having any programs, everything we have everything pinned up there, right? So as you go, student class or place, you just read it and go, isn't it? Any notice. So same thing, notice is we have to print it up in a place where it is everybody can have access to it, everybody can see it. Okay, so this is called a notice. Now this also has a procedure, how you are going to write that. Like how report writing has got, same way notice writing also has got a proper procedure to write. Okay, now what is it? I will tell you. Now just look at the format here. I have just given you example format. So this is a sample. What is it? First these parts, see, then first part, second part, third part, then this is the fourth part and this is the fifth part. So these are the parts. So draw a border. You have to draw a border for this. That is an outline for your, just simply don't write like that. You must draw a border and then highlight each thing. First part is what? First, how you write it? Name of the school or the institution must be prominent. That means what? It should be in capital letters. It should be prominent. Now which school is going to be held? So that school name should be prominent. Okay, and then next is what is the program? School name you finish giving, that should be in capital letters. Now what is the program going to be held? Science Expo. So that program's name should be given here. Science Expo or inter school cultural competition. It can be inter school singing competition, inter school dance competition, whatever the thing is. That is notice the information you are going to give. So that should be next. After you draw this, highlight it, and the next heading is what program, and the next is what date. What date you go that is you are issuing this notice. That date only, not the program date, the date which you are going to issue the notice, that date should be written. Okay, and then next, now the body of the notice. Notice, what is the notice? Now mostly this notice, the way you must start is, now who you are going to address it to? Now we will say we keep it for school. So for school means what is how will you start the notice? You can start the notice by using expressions like, this is to inform you all students, or all the students are informed. Got that now? So you start like this. All the students are informed that, or this is to bring to your notice that our school is going to organize a science expo. When the date? Now you write the date. Date, day, venue. Where is the place? Our ground. When is the date? Date, of course, whatever date is being given to you in the format, you write it down. And then next the day, and then the that is where is the thing, when, where, what, why you are doing it, to enhance, to bring out the talent of the students. That is there are so many hidden scientists in each student, isn't it? Each one has got one distinctive character, so they have got so much talent in them. So this is one platform to bring out their talent. So this is to bring out this platform is to bring out the hidden scientist in you. So that kind of a thing, right? So next what I'm going to write is the last date. Interested students can given your name to the SPL of the school SPL. Okay, school SPL. So and the last date. Then I also mentioned the last date to submit the forms. That is filled up form. Last date to filling up the forms is so and so. Write the date. Okay. This is it. So please take this, do this immediately when you get the notice. Please submit your forms. Okay. Then afterwards, last, who is giving the notice? That person's name. name of that person is giving the notice. Now school means who will give? SPL, ASPL, write their names. Okay, SPL, ASPL name must write there. Alright, so this is the format for writing notice. Got it now? In your book, page number 112, the thing one format is given to you. Go through it, and then afterwards there is 3 exercises are given to you. I will tell you later like what you are going to write. Okay, I want it exactly like this only, highlighted neatly. Use sketch pens, sketch pens just for now school purpose only, just to make you understand that. But for exam you can't use sketch pens, you only have to use black pen or blue pen. Okay, now for just to understand that you understood the thing, so you must highlight it with sketch pens and send it to me, like write in the A4 sheet, stick it in your classwork. Okay, A4 sheet, stick it in your classwork, so notice writing. Alright, so then you send that for homework. Got it now? Hope you understood this, the format of letters, then and the format of notice writing. Okay. Okay students, please finish the homework and send it to us on time. Don't delay, like evening itself you finish off, no. That is we are giving 2 timings are given, no. 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening, and then one is morning 8 to 9 o'clock. So better you finish off this in the evening itself, 5 to 6 o'clock, because the whole day you got, no. The video class is taken in the morning, and the whole day what are you doing? Finish it as soon as you see the video class, start writing, and 5 o'clock immediately send it. That's it, your work is over. Now why you wait? Why are you waiting for the next day to then you have to send the thing? Don't want, just finish it off in the morning itself. Alright, evening itself. Thank you.